Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set floating notifications to bubbles or smart pop-up view on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then in the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on notifications. Now in here, go down to the bottom and tap on Advanced Settings. Next, tap on Floating Notifications. In here, you could select between Bubbles or Smart Pop-up View. Now if you select Bubbles, it said that if you choose Bubbles, notifications for compatible conversations will include an icon that you can tap to change the conversation to Bubble View. And if you select Smart Pop-up View, you can choose which apps can use Smart Pop-up View. And so receive notifications as icons that can be tapped and expanded in Pop-up View. And that's it. So select one of the two options and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.